Press the Home key to access your messages, directories, settings, and more. You can also use the navigation keys to scroll or the dial pad to access each menu item. Let's briefly walk through each menu option. 1. New call places an outgoing call. 2. Messages. Access the message center to listen to your voice messages. You can also access your messages by clicking the Message Center button. 3. Directories. View your contact directory, call lists, and favorites. 4. Recent calls. This shows you a list of recently made phone calls. 5. DND. Selecting this key activates Do Not Disturb. Return to the menu to disable DND. 7. Help and support. Initiate a quick diagnostic check, get help, or get detailed information about the Edge E300 series Poly phone. 8. Settings. Access basic settings and advanced settings. View additional features or check the phone status. 9. Calendar. Displays the calendar. 10. Applications. Opens available applications included with your phone.